Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Creative clocks can add a unique flair to your home decor, making them not just a functional timepiece but also eye-catching design elements. One stylish option is a minimalist wall clock with sleek lines and a simple face, perfect for a modern or Scandinavian-inspired spaces. These clocks often feature clean designs with minimal number or even none at all, focusing on form rather than function to complement a minimalist aesthetic. For a more artistic approach, consider a sculpture clock. These can be made from various materials like metal, wood, or acrylic, often featuring abstract shape or nature-inspired design. A clock shaped like a sunburst or one with geometric lines can turn a black wall into an art pieces while still serving a practical purpose. Another creative idea is a gallery wall clock, where the numerals are represented by different photos or art pieces arranged in a circular pattern on the wall. This not only helps personalize the space, but also create a conversation starter, blending a family photo with functional decor. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, or like Interior Designs channel.